Good morning, children. Today we'll continue with lesson 16 of EVS, that is means of communication. In the last class, I told you about personal and modern means of communication. Today you'll get to know about means of mass communication. Now look here, children. To convey a message to many people at a time, we use means of mass communication. Whenever you want to deliver a message to a large number of people at a time, then you use means of mass communication such as newspapers, magazines, radio, and television. Whenever any news is printed in a newspaper, it can be read by a large number of people. In the same way, whenever anything is printed in a magazine, it can also be read by many people at a time. Whenever any message is broadcasted on a radio, it can be heard by a large number of people. Yes, and through a television also, a message can be seen as well as heard by many people at a time. So that is why newspapers, magazines, radio, and television are called means of mass communication because they deliver a message to many people at a time. Okay? Now look here. All those people who cannot read a newspaper or magazine can hear the news on the radio. The people who cannot read a newspaper or magazine, they can hear the news on the radio. Okay? On the television, we can both hear and see the important events of the day. Yes, on a television, you can hear as well as see the important events of the day. So children, the means of communications which deliver message to many people at a time are called means of mass communication. Okay? For example, television, radio, newspaper, magazine. All these are means of mass communication because they convey a message to large number of people at a time. So children, here we finish lesson 16 of EVS. I hope you have understood the lesson nicely. Thank you.